Alright, Texas Gulf Coast ES is here with another video, and today we have a public information statement from HGX. This was the NWS damage survey for November 24th, 2025, the tornado event. So let's go ahead and read it. Overview. The following is a initial summary of storm survey work today by NWS crews for the tornado damage in northwest Houston. This information is preliminary and it is subject to further refinement with any new data that arrives. If modification to the summary of these tornadoes is needed, an updated public information statement will be sent. I'm trying to read these. I don't do very well reading this stuff, so I'm trying to read it here. So I don't know how to spell very correctly, so forgive me about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and read this. So Rieta Ranch. This was an EF1 tornado with 110 mile per winds. This was a pretty decent tornado. It was about 2 miles of its path length. Excuse me. So path length. So yeah. And the path width, the maximum was 500 yards. So no injuries or fatalities, thank goodness. So it started at about 123 and ended at 128. So that one was on the ground for about 5 minutes. It was in Northwest Jersey Village, but however though, the one over here in Klein area, so if you're familiar to Klein, if you live in north central parts of Harris County, this was an EF2 tornado with 116 mile per wind. So which I'm a little bit surprised at this point. 116 miles an hour. This was a big tornado. We saw the footage of the tornado. It looked like it was about at least about a good stovepipe tornado. It was very interesting. So it was about 3 miles on the ground in terms of its length. No yards though, but yeah. No fatalities or injuries with that, so thank God that was good news. But also, it was only on the ground for about 7 minutes, so very interesting about that. It started 7 miles southeast of Tomball, northwest Harris, and then ended at 5 miles east southeast of Tomball, northwest Harris. So we'll see if we have any other updates, but this was a pretty big tornado event by HGX, but overall, just wanted to get you some information about these tornadoes from yesterday. It was a pretty big event, all right, so yeah. So anyway, y'all enjoy the rest of your day. See you in the next video.